When the sun dips below the horizon, landscapes undergo a fascinating transformation. Shadows grow long, and the world takes on a different character. It's during these twilight hours and the darkness of the night that landscape downlighting truly shines. Landscape downlighting is an artful technique that not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of your outdoor spaces but also adds an element of safety and security. In this video, we will explore landscape downlighting from its definition and importance to its advantages, disadvantages, best practices, and real-life design inspirations. Landscape downlighting, also known as landscape moonlighting, is the strategic placement of light fixtures above a certain point, typically from elevated positions like trees, eaves, or pergolas. These fixtures cast a gentle and inviting glow downward, lighting specific areas of your landscape with precision and creating a visually appealing effect. The soft and diffused light can highlight architectural elements, plants, and walkways while providing functional illumination for outdoor activities during the night. Understanding the importance of landscape downlighting is crucial for anyone looking to enhance their outdoor space. Landscape downlighting extends the usability of your outdoor spaces. It allows you to enjoy your garden, patio, or backyard long after sunset. Whether it's a quiet evening for two or a gathering of friends and family, proper lighting sets the stage for memorable experiences. Imagine your trees, pathways, and sculptures bathed in a soft, inviting glow. Landscape downlighting can transform the ordinary into the extraordinary. It highlights the architectural features of your home, showcases the beauty of your garden, and adds a touch of elegance to your outside space. One of the primary reasons people opt for outdoor downlighting is the added safety and security it provides. Well-placed downlights along pathways, stairs, and entrances help prevent accidents by illuminating potential hazards. Additionally, a well-lit property can deter intruders. As with any landscaping design, landscape downlighting comes with its own set of advantages and disadvantages. Landscape downlighting enhances the beauty of your outdoor space by highlighting its best features. Well-designed outdoor lighting can significantly increase the value of your property, making it more appealing to potential buyers. A well-lit exterior deters potential intruders and helps keep your property safe. With landscape downlighting, you can make the most of your outdoor spaces during the evening and nighttime. As a disadvantage, installing landscape downlighting can be expensive, especially if you opt for professional installation and high-quality fixtures. Outdoor lighting might raise your energy expenses, but there are energy-efficient alternatives. Like any lighting feature, landscape lighting requires regular maintenance to ensure it continues to function correctly. To achieve the best results with your landscape downlighting, consider these best practices. Take the time to plan your lighting scheme. Identify the key features you want to highlight, such as trees, pathways, or architectural elements. Invest in high-quality, weather-resistant fixtures designed for outdoor use. This ensures longevity and durability. Select fixtures that match your design goals and outside environment. Well-placed spotlights, floodlights, pathway lights, hanging lights, and under-eaves lights can work wonders. Properly angle your fixtures to achieve the desired illumination. Aim for a balance between highlighting your features and avoiding excessive glare. Opt for LED bulbs, which are energy efficient and long-lasting. They reduce energy consumption and the need for frequent bulb replacements. Consider installing timers or motion sensors to control when your landscape lighting is active. This can help save energy and enhance security. For complex projects, or if you're not used to electrical work, consider asking a professional for installation. Let's explore some real-life landscape downlighting designs to inspire your own outdoor lighting project. Moonlighting is a technique that involves placing fixtures high in trees to mimic the soft, natural glow of moonlight filtering through branches. This creates a serene, ethereal ambience in your outdoor space. Create a magical atmosphere by strategically placing downlights in your garden. Light up flower beds, shrubs, and winding pathways, turning your garden into an enchanted wonderland. Pathway lighting is a practical and visually appealing choice. Well-placed downlights along pathways not only guide your way, but also contribute to the overall aesthetics of your garden. Use outdoor downlighting to accentuate the architectural features of your home. This can include lighting columns, archways, or the facade, creating a striking visual impact. Highlight the majestic trees in your yard by installing fixtures high in their branches. The soft, downward light will create a stunning canopy effect. For special occasions or holidays, get creative with color-changing lights. These can instantly transform your outside space into a festive wonderland. String lights are perfect for creating a comfy atmosphere in outdoor seating areas, patios, or pergolas. Their warm glow invites relaxation and socializing. In conclusion, landscape downlighting is an enchanting way to transform your outdoor space into a nighttime oasis. Whether you aim to enhance your home's visual appeal, improve safety, or create a comfy ambience for gatherings, landscape downlighting offers endless possibilities. By understanding its definition, importance, advantages, and disadvantages, as well as following best practices and drawing inspiration from real-life designs, you can embark on a journey to transform your outside space into a nighttime haven. Embrace the art of landscape downlighting and let your outdoor space shine like never before.